Yo, what is up everybody? Probably mostly skaters out there, I don't know, but I would assume so because these are skate shoes that we're going to be unboxing today, so it's a very exciting unboxing. I've been waiting for this all day, wasn't even sure if it was going to come today. I was like, come on, I've been all prepared, I got my outfit matching to go, ready to go. I'm so pumped for this. Maya's pumped for this, we're all ready to go, and my most popular video on this channel is this model of shoes, so that's why I'm hoping this video does well again too. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you like this, make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what you think. Yeah, these shoes are just awesome in general. One of my favorite pairs of shoes, not even just for the clout, not even just for the views, I just love them in general. I have been searching for another pair for next season because it's winter now in Canada. We got lots of snow. Fun fact though, something crazy is that I went longboarding yesterday in January in Canada, all the way in Canada. Like, that's crazy. I did not think that would be possible ever, but it dried up enough and there wasn't much salt and it was just a successful run. Like, no falls, nothing bad, no ice. It was pretty solid. There was a couple puddles, so we just had to pick up the board, you know? The board could have got a little bit wet. And it sucks about the salt too. Like, you don't want to damage your board and your shoes with the salt. But I think I'm going to get new wheels next season, so there's no worry. I'm just going to use it and abuse it to get the money's worth, to get the best out of it, all of it out of it, to get the best use out of it. You don't want to just waste it. Seeing them sprinkle around all over the place on sale, like some decent sales, but I never caught them myself. Now I finally caught this one. There was another one for a similar price. It was maybe like $10 more, but I was like, it was one of the premium ones, but I was like, I like this one better, and it was my size. The other one was a size lower, so I didn't really want to risk it because these ones are a bit iffy. Size warning for you guys, size warning. These shoes are not true to size. You're gonna need to size up probably if you have a bigger foot or like just a thicker foot in general, because they are very just tight and an interesting construction, which makes it a unique fit. That's a better way to put it. So yeah, I found a pair 50% off. It would have been like $65, but then there was like $15 shipping, so it was like 80 something with the tax. Not too bad still. I wish I could have just saved and maybe like did a bigger order and saved on shipping or something, but I'm broke, so that's not possible. And it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, I finally snagged up a pair for next season. We'll be able to test them out. Until next season, you can check out my review down below for my other pair and the unboxing for my other pair. I even have a longboarding video that I skate around on my other pair. So there's lots of content you can check out if you really want to see these shoes in action. Just check out, I'll put the links below, or just check out my channel. I got tons of different content on my channel, all different content for you guys. So make sure you check it out. Even got my Maya Husky pulling me on the longboard skating. That's what we do. It's the vibe. Yeah, so these are going to be put in storage till the prime after spring. I don't even want to wear them in spring. I want to wait till like the salt's gone and stuff. So not going to be wearing these till the summertime. So it's going to be a while. But my other ones still got a little bit of life in them. I'm going to probably do a very like end of the shoe, like a very like end of season, like not end. I kind of did like a mid/end of season review, but I'm going to do like a very like end of shoe review where like the shoe's just done, like where it's like so done that I just toss it out, because one of them is getting like pretty iffy. Like my kicking foot is getting pretty low on the support. Enough of me rambling on, let's actually jump into the action. The bulk of the content, the unboxing video. So nothing special. They didn't even put any, they put them upside down. Like what kind of packaging is this? It's from a random store too. Like I've never even seen this store before. I forget the name of it, but I'll probably put it in the description. They didn't put any bubble wrap, nothing. This box is beat. It's like sliced up all over the bottom, skid marks everywhere. This box is beat. It's been sitting around. But these shoes, people sleep on them. This is one of the best shoes ever. Like I would wear it just like if I didn't even skate, I would wear these as a comfort shoe, not gonna lie. Like just to walk. They're a bit flat, but like so fire though that you can't even go wrong with it. That's what I'm saying. Turp Crawford, sit down over there. Jeez, my pillows are just sliding around. So here we go. We got the swirly woo paper for the Nike SB box. I love the purple. Purple's one of my favorite colors. It's like blue, purple, pink, all the fire fun colors that we got going on. Nike SB Ishod, so they're the Ishod wear shoes. I didn't even say that yet. Lemon wash colorway, black lemon drop. I really like this colorway. It's very interesting actually, and it won't like get dirty too quick. And then I just like to spice it up, you know, change it up. I don't have anything that's like very much like this colorway, so it's very cool. Size 10.5. I do that 0.5 size up because my foot's fucking, it's thick that way, like tight, it's chunky. My foot's literally just a brick, so it's thick, so like I really feel it on the top of my foot. I really feel. Check out these Stussy socks also. I got the whole yellow fit going. I even got yellow underpants on. I'm dripped down from my socks to my underpants to my hat. You know what I'm saying? Stussy, oh, Stussy, match. Okay, enough of my drip. Yeah, they really squeezed me on the top of my foot. Oh yeah, Stussy slides too. Check out the unboxing for those. Okay, I'm going way off track in this video. Like, I'm just too excited for this. Okay, so the first thing I noticed when I peeked open is these nice little, like, peachy laces. Like, what is this, like? Yeah, just this, like, lemon wash color. Like, it's so nice. Ooh, this is the coolest shoe ever. It's kind of like, it looks almost like the color for, like, glow in the dark in a way. I can't think of the word for like what this color is. It's like a peach or like a, I don't know, but I love this. It's not as yellow, not as like popping yellow. I thought it'd be more like brighter yellow, like the hoodie. I like, especially like on the wave, like the ventilation units, the ventilation structures and stuff. But what was I even saying? I always lose track of thought. Stoner brain. Yeah, I thought it, like, they always just boost contrast in photos, so you can't like really complain about that. It's got a removable React unit, so I didn't know you could actually remove the React unit, but why would you want to do that? Like, it's so comfortable unless you're like really like a barefoot rider or something, or if you just buy a size too big or a size too small, you could probably just take the React unit out. But the React unit, I actually love it in the skate shoe because you need that extra comfort, especially when you're like pushing on some like tough concrete, some tough cement. You don't want to be freaking, I have a flat foot, so I'm putting like my whole foot, all my weight onto it, you know what I mean? Like, it's not just a little bit. Or like, even if you're not flat foot, you don't want to be like cracking your heels on the ground like that all the time. So you can see that unit in there. They actually made it a nice like, is navy green a color? Navy green? No. Is it? No, there's navy green. There's like a pine green, which actually kind of goes with the color. Like, Ishod, I don't know if he picks the colors, but like the colors are fire. Like, all the colorways for all the different shoes. There's so many colorways for this shoe, and they're all so fire. And the premium ones too, I can't wait to try those ones out. Like, there's some that are leather. Yeah. The only thing I complained about last time was like how it's like this kind of like terry cloth, like weird like towel material inside, but it actually works well because it kind of like hardens over time, so it doesn't like stay as like this towel-y material. It kind of turns into like a normal material. I guess it's like, maybe it's cotton, maybe that's why it's like that, I don't know. But I thought it wouldn't be good for sweat wicking, but it works perfectly fine. I think maybe like with the socks it makes my foot a bit warmer, but I don't know. I think it's relatively pretty good. And then the ventilation unit structure, I really like it. You can actually see the ventilation much more clear on this one. I don't know if that's different. Maybe it's just the colorway, but you can like really like see the ventilation unit on this. And I always put previews at the end of my videos, so you can check that out too. And then just like a basketball shoe, because Nike Ishod, his roots are in basketball, he's inspired by basketball, has that reverse swoosh like on a bunch of different basketball shoes, like Nike, what are they, like Nike Renew, like I used to work at Nike, so I used to know all the basketball shoes, but not as much anymore. Got this beautiful embroidery check with the Ishod. I talked more about like Ishod and like why he made the shoe and like how he used to have dunks and all that stuff in my first video, so you can check that one out too if you want to learn more about this shoe. It's a very fun shoe. We got a check embroider at the front. It's the material for the regular Nike Ishod wear is just a normal kind of like nubuck. Yeah, a normal kind of nubuck material throughout, and then just like a plasticky this one seems more malleable. I didn't think it was like as like rubbery, but it's like a plastic rubbery ventilation unit. Maybe they upgraded it. Maybe this is like a slightly newer model, like slight variations. You can see some stitching there, more of that rubber, and then the laces. It's got the reinforced laces, so it's got 2 extra lace inlets right there, and then 1 in the middle, so that's really good. And then, I don't know if it got cut off, but you can see the ventilation unit, or the ventilation structure. Yeah, and I like the colorway, like the black with the yellow wash, the lemon drop. See like how it's like yellow wash and then black right there, like a bumblebee kind of thing. And then you can see the React on the side. There's the React right there, boom, ba-doom, ba-doom, with a little bit of rubber black over along there too. Like I said, the stitched check, the stitching all around, very nice, very nice. And then it's got a very nice swirly kind of traction. It's supposed to be better optimized traction for skateboarding, so like where you need the traction the most, so that's good. And then you got a nice Nike check there as well. So yeah, super comfortable shoes. Definitely recommend them, especially if you're a skater. Like, these are the comfiest skate shoes ever. Like, I love these things. I love throwing them on. It makes me happy every time. Still, even, like, I still love putting them on to this day. And it's been like a year since I got my last pair, probably. Like, I don't even know. I forget why I got the other ones. I think I just was looking for a new skate shoe and saw these and thought they looked solid. So let's toss them on. Let's put them on. See, I got my Stussy slides there. Okay. And see, they're kind of tight. There's lots of room for my toes, but I like that. But it's because it's like, there's a bit of room for my toes, like a decent amount, a lot of room for my toes, but like, at least it's a bit more like flexible. And then it's like perfectly fitted the rest of the way. Like, it's really tight on top and on the side. Probably because of these rubber units, how they're not as like flexible, they don't really mold as much, and it's just like not as giving as a material, I think. And I don't know, like, it's just not as flexible, I would say. Woo! Like sparkly with this mesh on the tongue. It's interesting how they did like mesh for like the logo, and then like that kind of cloth material for the rest. Okay, I am excited now. Then I can show you guys what they're like walking around on the feet a little bit, and then you'll have to wait for summer for a skate test, unfortunately. Woo! Oh. Meh. Let's go. So comfy. My one foot's so much fatter. They're so much stiffer now, but like, so they must really like mold to your foot and like really like, yeah, so they get comfier over time in a way. Not on the bottom, but like all around, like it really molds to your foot. Even the bottom really molds to your foot, but it kind of sucks because then you're not getting as much of that cushion, because the React definitely like, I feel like Nike's React doesn't last that long, honestly. So it's like the React kind of fades away and then it's just the regular sole. Hi, time to show you guys the drip in action. Maya, come see the drip. She's passed out over here. They're so fire. I wore these are actually woman's pants. The shorter pants, so I can show off the shoes. Does it go with the fit? They're squeaky. One of them's squeaky. Yeah, it goes. Because it's like the same, like, it's just different shades, you know? So fire. I'm so happy I got these. Dang. Gonna have to make some yellow fits. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear with these. But you know, that's the vibe. Lazy Maya, you like the shoes? They're so comfy. Ah! You scared me! Yeah, Maya. Ooh, you like the shoes? You like the shoes? You like the shoes? And that's the wrap.
are so fire. Literally the dopest.
Very